Everyone has something that haunts them. But for some, it's the ghosts that make them brilliant.
He's a ghost. Reyka, don't let him haunt you.
This is Reyka of Quadungays Police. I would like to officially confirm that the Canefield murders is a serial killer.
My love, I made you.
I know how you do it. I know you can't stop.
I could tell you things. Things you've forgotten. Things
I know you want to hear.